Carmen and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 1 of demo day. We're going to take everything out from this bathroom and it's going to be a full bathroom renovation. So we're super excited to start with this project and we're going to show you the entire process. So let's do this.
Demo day!
Now I want to show you how this bathroom looks before we start with the demolition, so you guys have an idea how this bathroom looks before renovation. We're going to take everything out. The only thing we're keeping is the mirror. So let's do this. Here we're trying to disconnect the vanity from the plumbing system. So that's the first thing you have to do to take the vanity out.
Gross.
Now we're cutting the seal that's around the vanity. Then we start removing the tiles that are around the vanity. You have to be careful and try not to damage the wall. After you remove all the tiles from around the vanity and break the seal, you can start taking the top out. We also removed the bathroom door. Next, we start removing the toilet. You have to disconnect all the plumbing first and also remove the water.
I take this out like that and it just... But the water, no.
Now it's time to remove the shower door. After we remove the vanity, the door, and the toilet, we continue with the demolition by removing the bathroom floor. How's demo day going? Crazy. We have a hard day today.
You like this piece of gold? Yeah, it's all mine. finger. About an inch of cement.
Then he removed the tiles from the shower. It was not an easy job to do, but he did it in less than an hour. And this is the last part of the demolition. He enjoyed this part a lot.
He did it. Yeah, I didn't do anything. I just helped him a little bit, but he did it. Everything, basically.
She has done the most important thing, which is the vision, so we can start creating.
Yes. I'm so ready to see.
She works a lot with her brain, and I a little tiny bit with my brain. A lot of muscles.
It's the muscle and the brain. And Julian, say hi. Hi, guys.
Julian is an extension of her
Say
muscles.
hi, guys. Hi. He helped too. Hi. Well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Woo! Thank you.
Woo!
We did it.